Lesson: Understanding the BABOK Guide Structure. The business analysis body of knowledge serves as a cornerstone for professionals seeking to excel in the field of business analysis. Its structure is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive framework that outlines essential tasks, techniques, and best practices. Understanding the BABOK Guide Structure is crucial for those pursuing the Certified Business Analysis Professional certification, as it equips candidates with actionable insights and practical tools to tackle real-world challenges effectively. At the heart of the BABOK Guide is its division into 6 core knowledge areas: business analysis, planning and monitoring, elicitation and collaboration, requirements lifecycle management, strategy analysis, requirements analysis and design definition, and solution evaluation. Each knowledge area is a repository of tasks that define the competencies required for proficient business analysis. These tasks are not isolated. They are interconnected processes that offer a holistic approach to problem-solving and decision-making. Business analysis, planning, and monitoring involve the activities that ensure the business analysis process is well-defined and managed. This area stresses the importance of establishing a structured approach that aligns with organizational goals. A practical tool within this domain is the SWOT analysis, which helps in identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to the business environment. By employing SWOT analysis, business analysts can create robust strategies that address internal capabilities and external challenges. Elicitation and collaboration focus on engaging stakeholders to gather and confirm requirements. This area emphasizes the significance of communication and negotiation skills. Techniques like interviews and workshops are commonly utilized here. For instance, in a case study involving a multinational corporation, effective stakeholder engagement through structured workshops led to the successful identification and prioritization of business requirements, ultimately enhancing project outcomes. Requirements lifecycle management deals with the governance of requirements throughout the project lifecycle. Maintaining traceability of requirements is a key task that ensures alignment with business objectives. Requirements traceability matrices are instrumental in this process, providing a clear map of requirement origins and facilitating impact analysis when changes occur. This tool enables analysts to manage changes efficiently, minimizing risks and ensuring project success. Strategy analysis involves understanding the business needs and aligning them with potential solutions. This area requires a strategic mindset to assess the current state, define the future state, and develop a change strategy. The Balanced Scorecard is a strategic planning framework that translates organizational strategy into actionable objectives. By applying this framework, analysts can ensure that business strategies are comprehensive and measurable, fostering alignment and accountability across the organization. Requirements analysis and design definition focus on specifying and modeling requirements to meet stakeholder needs. Techniques like use case modeling and process modeling are vital here. For example, a case study from the healthcare sector demonstrated how use case diagrams helped clarify user interactions with a patient management system, leading to improved system design and user satisfaction. Solution evaluation is the final knowledge area, concentrating on assessing solutions to ensure that they deliver the intended value. This involves performance measurement and analysis. Key performance indicators are essential tools for evaluating solution effectiveness. By establishing relevant KPIs, organizations can monitor solution performance and make informed decisions about necessary adjustments. In addition to the knowledge areas, the BABOK Guide outlines underlying competencies that are critical for business analysts. These competencies include analytical thinking, problem-solving, behavioral characteristics, business knowledge, communication skills, interaction skills, tools, and technology. Mastery of these competencies enhances an analyst's ability to navigate the complexities of business analysis. The BABOK Guide also provides a comprehensive list of techniques applicable across various tasks. Techniques such as brainstorming, document analysis, focus groups, and prototyping offer versatile approaches to problem solving. For instance, Brainstorming sessions can generate innovative ideas during the strategy analysis phase, while prototyping can help visualize potential solutions during requirements analysis and design definition. A key aspect of the BABOK Guide is its adaptability to different organizational contexts. The guide offers a flexible framework that can be tailored to suit specific industry needs and project requirements. This adaptability is exemplified by its application across diverse sectors, including finance, healthcare, and technology, where tailored business analysis practices have led to significant improvements in project delivery and value realization. To further illustrate the practical application of the BABOK Guide, consider the case of a financial services company undergoing a digital transformation. By leveraging the guide structure, the company's business analysts systematically approach the transformation initiative. They utilize SWOT analysis to understand market dynamics, engage stakeholders through collaborative workshops, and employed requirements traceability matrices to manage evolving requirements. The balanced scorecard framework was instrumental in aligning the transformation strategy with business objectives, while KPIs were used to evaluate the effectiveness of implemented solutions. This structured approach, grounded in the BABOK Guide, resulted in a successful transformation that enhanced customer experience and operational efficiency. In conclusion, understanding the BABOK Guide structure is essential for professionals seeking to excel in business analysis and achieve CBAP certification. The Guide's comprehensive framework provides a roadmap for addressing real-world challenges and enhancing proficiency in business analysis. By integrating practical tools, frameworks, and techniques, analysts can effectively navigate the complexities of their roles and deliver value to their organizations. The BABOK Guide's adaptability ensures its relevance across various industries, making it an indispensable resource for business analysis professionals. As organizations continue to evolve, the principles outlined in the BABOK Guide will remain pivotal in driving successful business outcomes.